My name is Andrea Melani. I'm actually the owner of both Convivio Italian restaurant and Caffé Buondi. It started a long time ago with my mom and dad. I was born and raised in Italy. My mom and dad both, they met in a restaurant, and I was born and lived in a restaurant for a long period of time. So I essentially grew up in a restaurant. So the old dynamics of living with cooks and servers, it was always something that I grew up with. The whole idea of Convivio was to sort of express a desire for, sharing the Italian culture and passion for Italian culture of food. But the idea was to be the only one in town to make fresh pasta live in front of you.
We really do want to be approachable, but at the same time, Andrea's from Liguria, he's from Italy, and we like to address those things and have those things that kind of touch on the authenticity of Italy. But at the same time, you can come in here and get a bowl of pasta with red sauce too.
We were discussing the opportunity to perhaps take in this space. Okay, maybe we should take that space and open a breakfast lunch place before somebody comes into the market. And so we did. Caffe Buondi was kind of our Italian twist on the American breakfast, trying to bring in some of the feeling of when you go to an Italian cafe, espresso, cappuccino, at the same time, kind of mixing it with more modern, elegant decor. And we call it Buondi because Buondi means a good day starts in the morning. I think that if you want to do something special, it might make sense to do it in Hamilton County. I think it was the best decision I've ever made because obviously it's been working great.